Okay, so here we are in the Luddiser household, and we're having a burping contest. I can't even burp like this, but my daughters can.
Annie's next. She has to
All
do
right.
her last one.
Let's hear it.
Okay, your turn.
Come on, Catherine. You're not going to be taught by your little sister now, are you?
Okay, do it. My turn, my turn.
Oh, come on, Annie. You can do better than that. All right, Catherine.
I stopped because I thought I was going to throw up. I'm still in.
Okay, I can do it again. I can do it again.
That wasn't a burp. That was you fake throwing.
I was really perfect. Okay, watch this.
Poor shame. I can't even burp like that.